How to fix common error in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Discord. So to fix common error in Discord, you could go with the basic steps. That is, first thing first, check your internet connection. Open up settings onto your device and from the list, click on internet and network and make sure to select internet and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If internet connection doesn't seem to be an issue, then you could also hold on to your side button and then restart your device. That might also be able to fix. However, if the issue still persists on, then you could also try restarting the app. That means you want to completely close the background running app and then at the same time head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in Discord and try updating the app. See whether that fixes your issue or not. If the issue still persists on, once again you want to open up settings onto your device, go to the apps section and locate Discord, and here comes the permissions, or here comes the storage and cache. So click on clear cache. That might also be able to help. If nothing works out, then the last alternative is to either contact support or uninstall and then reinstall. That should definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.